Must know details of the Minister of Religion visa in the UK. Today's video update will be discussing the Minister of Religion visa and its requirements. Similar to the candidates in the skilled worker route who are sponsored by companies possessing recognized sponsor licenses, the latest T2 Minister of Religion visa route allows candidates aged 18 or above to be sponsored as ministers of religion by a religious organization that holds charitable status, or by the Ministry of Defense. This route substituted the previous route of Tier 2 Minister of Religion.
Brightest and the best.
Changing the UK
Single global
immigration system.
Let's find out more about the Minister of Religion visa and its requirements for sponsoring religious organizations. In addition to bearing charitable status, or being the MOD, to qualify for a T2 Minister of Religion sponsor license, the religious organization desiring to sponsor a Minister of Religion must demonstrate the following. That is an establishment for a faith-based community with a common belief system, and spiritual goals, codes of conduct, and religious practice, which persists in supporting and propagating shared beliefs and practices. These shared beliefs should comprise any religious belief, or equal philosophical belief in an entity that is transcendental, metaphysical, or ultimate. Not include any philosophical or political belief involved with man, unless that belief is equivalent to the religious belief. Does not exclude any person from the community based on gender, nationality, or ethnicity. Obtains monetary and material aid for the core religious ministry from the congregation or community voluntarily, without promise or compulsion. Does not violate or motivate others to violate any UK legislation. Does not operate against the public interest or have a damaging effect on personal or family life as commonly understood in the UK. So, what evidence is required for the Tier 2 Minister of Religion sponsor license application? When applying for a Tier 2 Minister of Religion sponsor license, religious organizations must provide details of the faith or religion they are associated with and provide proof of the following. If they are part of a larger organization, information of the parent organization and the connection between them. A hierarchy chart that indicates where they are in that hierarchy. The size of the adult community. The number of clergies they presently employ. Addresses of their routine meeting places. Their scheduled days and hours of worship. A copy of Form 76 from the General Register Office, granting authorization for the use of an establishment as a place of worship. A copy of Form 78 from the General Register Office, providing authorization for marriages to be conducted at a place of worship. Similar to the sponsor license applications for skilled workers, organizations applying for a Tier 2 Minister of Religion license must notify the Home Office why they are applying for the license and deliver proof of the positions they wish to fill. The authenticity of the roles and applications will be evaluated. However, the resident labor test, or equivalent for the Tier 2 Minister of Religion route, is no longer performed. Let us now focus on the sponsor duties for religious organizations. The sponsor duties for religious organizations are also identical to the skilled worker pathway. The religious organization must maintain satisfactory records concerning a migrant's immigration status, maintain contact information, record keeping and recruitment practices, etc. A Tier 2 Minister of Religion sponsor has responsibilities as they are in a position of trust. Even though there is no RLMT to be run, the organization must keep details of how a migrant is engaged and sponsored. What are other alternative immigration routes available for religious workers? Where religious organizations hope to engage the services of migrants in non-pastoral roles, there is a temporary work visa for religious work. However, ministers of religion cannot use this. The temporary work route is solely for non-pastoral roles and has a 2-year maximum duration. Today's video update ends here. Leave a comment below if you found this video update helpful. Thanks for watching.